Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving work and closing programs, then force the system into WinRe. Hold Shift and click Restart from the Start menu or Sign-in screen so Windows opens Recovery Tools. Once WinRe appears, choose Troubleshoot because that gives you access to startup settings and advanced options. Make sure to have any admin password ready. You'll need it to change startup behavior and apply the next actions that remove safe mode. Once in Startup Settings, you'll click Restart to reveal numbered boot options. This is where the safe mode flags are controlled. You choose the standard boot option, often listed as 4 or F4 for safe mode off, or 5/F5 if networking is involved, because that clears the minimal driver flag. Make sure to let the laptop restart fully and do not interrupt the boot sequence. This ensures Windows rebuilds normal startup services and returns to standard mode. You should log in and confirm normal mode by opening msconfig and checking the boot tab. If safe boot is checked, uncheck it, apply, and restart so settings persist. If the laptop still boots to safe mode, use System Restore to roll back recent changes, or open an elevated command prompt and run bcdedit/deletevalue current safe boot to remove the flag. Make sure to reboot after either fix, if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.